Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And for this entire month, we're going to talk about something very easygoing, very fun to talk about, and it's about hobbies and interests. 这个月呢，我们要 focus 在比较轻松的话题，谈一些休闲的活动啦，还有兴趣啦，
就是休闲娱乐。
So let's go ahead and start off with that line. 你的兴趣是什么？
你有 tippet？
你有 tippet？
好马 game
好马 game 哦，这么长 tippet 应该是特别的意思，对不对？
对。
Oh, that means do you have special interests? Okay. So let's say for folks who are listening at home, maybe you like to play board games. 可能有些人比较喜欢下棋。那我说我喜欢下棋。
爱好象棋。
爱好就是喜欢，是不是？
对。
how that means I like 象棋。Okay, that's 下棋。下什么棋都一样了不管是象棋啦、西洋棋啦，对不对？
对。
围棋啦，但麻将就不算棋了，对不对？
然后下棋的海陆腔叫做象棋。
象棋 that's a different dialect. 所以一个是象棋，
然后另外一个就是
象棋。Okay. Oh, you know what? I used to like this a lot. 最近比较没有机会去摄影，但我以前小时候好喜欢摄影我喜欢摄影或拍照。
爱好翕相。
翕相，愛好 again that's I like 翕相 that's taking pictures. Or maybe Alice likes to go into the kitchen and make some great dishes. 不知道是不是 Alice 喜欢下厨做菜，一直在等你做的这个菜，你知道吗？
真的吗？好，下次来我家。
好，我喜欢下厨做菜怎么说？
愛好落做下煮食。
愛好 again that's I like。落做下是不是？
就是进厨房。
落雷落雷厨房来对
了。
Okay, 那是下厨房。
就是下厨的意思。
Go into the kitchen and make dishes 做菜。Okay, 愛好落做下煮食。There you go. Let's repeat these terms right here. What hobbies do you have? 你的興趣是什麼？
你有 tippet 好馬 game。
你有 tippet 好馬 game。And perhaps your answer is I like board games. 我喜歡下棋。
愛好象棋。
愛好象棋 or I like to take pictures. 我喜歡攝影。
愛好翕相。
愛好翕相。And finally, maybe you like to cook. 我喜歡下廚做菜。
愛好落做下煮食。
愛好落做下煮食。And there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.